Can we take a break? We've been working all day.
Let's have a snack break. I'm gonna have some parsley leaves. Miss Chloe from Gardner School in Boston, what are you snacking on?
Have some kale today. Miss Amelia, what are you eating over there at the Manhunt?
I'm having some cauliflower. What about you, Miss Priyanka? What are you having at Chelsea School?
I'm eating cucumbers. What are you eating, Miss Leilani at the Blackstone?
I'm eating a carrot today. Miss Emily at the Mason, what are you having for a snack?
Well, I'm having celery today. Miss Megan at the Umano, what are you having for snack?
I also have a carrot. Miss Stephanie at Springfield Public Schools, what are you eating?
I'm eating an apple. Miss Anna at Tobin, what are you eating?
I'm also eating a carrot.
Did you know we're all eating parts of a plant?
Oh my goodness, we are.
What?
You know what? I have a really cool plant dance we can all learn.
Yes!
Yeah.
No way.
Okay, so the plant dance goes like this. I'm a plant and I have roots. Roots soak up water and keep the plant in the ground. I'm a plant and I have roots. Roots, roots, roots. I have roots, 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 roots. I'm a plant and I have a stem. The stem's the elevator. It brings water up and food down. I'm a plant and I have a stem. Stem, stem, stem. I have a stem, 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 stem. I'm a plant and I have leaves. Leaves help the plant make food. I'm a plant and I have leaves. Leaves, leaves, leaves. I have leaves, 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 leaves. I'm a plant and I have flowers. Flowers are where the bees come to drink nectar. I'm a plant and I have flowers. Flowers, flowers, flowers. I have flowers, 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 flowers. I'm a plant and I have fruit. Fruit tastes really good and helps disperse seeds. I'm a plant and I make fruit. Fruit, fruit, fruit. I make fruit, 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 fruit. I'm a plant and I make seeds. Seeds help make new plants. I'm a plant and I make seeds. Seeds, seeds, seeds. I make seeds. Seeds, seeds, seeds. Let's try that all together. I'm a plant and I have roots. Roots, roots, roots. I have roots. Roots, roots, roots. I have a stem. Stem, stem, stem. I have a stem. Stem, stem, stem. I have leaves. Leaves, leaves, leaves. I have leaves. Leaves, leaves, leaves. I have flowers. Flowers, flowers, flowers. I have flowers. Flowers, flowers. I have fruits. Fruits, fruits, fruits. I have fruits. Fruits, fruits, fruits. I make seeds. Seeds, seeds, seeds. I make seeds. Seeds, seeds, seeds. That is a plant dance.
Wow, I love getting around to move. Thank you, Emily.
I feel like I'm ready to get back to learning.
Me too.